Viva Loans Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Viva Loans, this is the review you need to watch before applying. Viva Loans is an online loan broker designed for individuals seeking quick, unsecured loans ranging from $100 to $5,000. It's not a direct lender, but connects you to multiple lenders based on your application, giving you access to competitive rates and flexible repayment terms. It's particularly suited for those who need fast cash for unexpected expenses or emergencies, as the entire process is streamlined and can be completed online, with approvals often coming within minutes. One of Viva Loan's standout features is its simplicity. The application process is straightforward. Just fill in your details, specify your loan amount, and wait for lenders to respond. You don't need perfect credit to qualify, as Viva Loans works with lenders that cater to various credit scores. However, it's important to note that the interest rates and terms depend on the lender you're matched with. While some lenders offer reasonable terms, others may have high APRs, so you need to carefully review offers before accepting. Who is Viva Loans best for? It's ideal for individuals who value speed and convenience over visiting traditional banks. If you have less than perfect credit but still need options, Viva Loans can connect you to lenders willing to work with your circumstances. However, it may not be the best choice for those who already qualify for lower interest loans elsewhere, or who can access personal loans from their banks. One of the key advantages is transparency. There are no upfront fees to apply, and you can compare multiple offers without any obligation. But a word of caution: as with any short-term loans, ensure you can handle the repayment terms, as defaulting could lead to penalties or negative impacts on your credit score. Always read the fine print and don't borrow more than you need. In summary, Viva Loans offers a fast, user-friendly way to explore loan options without a hard credit check during pre-qualification. However, the convenience can come at a cost, with some lenders charging higher rates. If used responsibly, it's a helpful tool for accessing funds quickly. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Make sure you understand the terms before committing. If you're prepared and informed, Viva Loans can be a valuable resource in times of financial need. That's my honest review of Viva Loans. Watch, decide, and proceed responsibly.